welcome to Learning Journey's Comprehension Cloze workshop. Okay, today is your day one of your paper 2 techniques workshop. All right, and then tomorrow you're going to do synthesis. So today these are the things that are going to be covered. All right, we're going to look at how to use the Comprehension Cloze technique. Okay, and then these techniques, right, are based on the Comprehension Cloze Assessment books that's written by Principal Grace. Okay, so she has a range of primary school books. Okay, and then all the techniques are in there. So let's go through questions 1 to 11. Okay, I know question 1, the answer has been given to you, but let us just look at how we get that answer. All right, so both of you have read the passage, right? And you know what the passage is about. Okay, let's go through. Okay, so the first one, okay, it says that imagine a world without the internet or the World Wide Web. Oh, okay. So if there's no internet and there's no World Wide Web, this would mean that emails, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or YouTube do not exist. Okay, do not exist. So the answer exists. Actually, where do we get the clue? We get the clue from the first part of the sentence, right? Where with the phrase without the internet or the World Wide Web. Okay,